Welcome to the video on running linear regression models using continuous and ordinal independent variables. So at this stage in the semester, we are solidly in this data analysis stage, analyzing questions, getting ready eventually to report on these and present findings. So we talked about last week some examples of types of questions we can answer with a linear regression. Questions like, do children's grades differ by the city they live in? Do depression levels differ by sexual orientation? How is marital satisfaction correlated with life satisfaction? How is pro-social behavior correlated with social skills in children? And we talked about how those first two are very much like t-tests and those last two are like correlations. But we can answer all of these questions in a linear regression model. This week we are focusing on these types of questions. And it's really dependent on what type of independent variables you have. That's going to drive what types of questions you're asking here in a linear regression model. So this week we're going to focus on these types of questions. Next week we're going to talk about these other types of questions. To make this a little more clear, when we're answering questions that are more like a correlation, that means our independent variables in a regression model are continuous or ordinal variables. And if we're answering questions that are much more like a t-test, that means our independent variables are nominal variables.